Let's get real. Freelancing is not for everyone. If you think it's just working in pajamas and making easy money, then you have to think again. Before you even send your first application, there are non-negotiable basics you need. No setup, no skills, no strategy, then freelancing will feel like a dead end. But if you're serious about starting strong, here's where it really begins. The problem is, people in the internet makes it really look easy to be a freelancer, and it costs a lot of heartbreaks. Hi, it's Jam, the founder of Barangay VA University, and welcome to my latest series called No Experience to Freelancing Bundle Spoon Feed Edition. Make sure to access our Notion board link in our description box to be able to see the schedule of their next modules, to get the worksheets and everything. And as I said, and as I promised, this is spoon feeding, so maximize it, guys. So going back, I'm about to give you the solution to your problem. So you better hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell, because what I'm about to bring to the table is value bomb. Don't be a freelancer if you haven't ticked all these tasks. T.A.S.K.S. Tasks. Letter T means tools. Tools such as, your laptop or your computer, your internet connection, all the softwares, everything you need to function as a business. You must have complete tools and softwares to function as a freelancer. You do not promise that you can solve their problems if you do not have the complete tools to do so. So stop asking if laptop is provided when you apply, because as a business, you should be able to provide that to yourself. No tools, no freelancing, period. Letter A means attitude. You have to have great attitude, professional attitude, and all the good attitudes in the world to survive this freelancing world. You have to be nice to yourself, you have to be nice to your client, you have to build good and a long-term relationship with your client. And if you have a team, you have to be very polite and good to your team as well. Because that's the only way for you to last in this world, guys. Have this great attitude towards other people and yourself, okay? Letter S, and the first S means skills. Yes, you have to be skilled to be able to solve the problems of your client. No skill means no means to solve the problems you promised to your client. And this goes together with the next letter, which is K, which is knowledge. So skills and knowledge. Knowledge is just learning. What you're learning right now from this video or module, that's just knowledge. When you execute that and you do it every day, then that's skill. So these two work hand in hand. And learning is not just about closing that client. So skills and knowledge means constant learning. And it's not just about for you to be able to close that client, but also when you are with the client already, for you to be able to stay relevant, then you have to keep on really upskilling. You have to keep on learning new things. And that's the only way to stay relevant. You have to keep up with other trends, with all the latest services your neighbors are doing. You have to keep up to that, because or else you'll be behind. Just like what I told you guys on the previous module. If you haven't seen that yet, what are you doing here? Go back to the previous module first. It's right here. Click this, okay? And lastly, for the last S, that's safety. It's also known as safety net. Alright? Do you have an extra client? Do you have like a pipeline of clients? When this client leaves, you have another client with you. Are you safe when it comes to finances? Do you have, emergency funds that will last you for like at least 6 months? All these things, because freelancing is not stable, especially if you're just new with this, or you don't have systems yet. So you have to be safe all the time. You have to be ready with all these setbacks and slow seasons. So safety net is a must. So again, tools, okay, attitude, skills, knowledge, and security. Do you have all these tasks? Are you ticking every letter? If not, then I'm very sorry, guys. You're not ready for this yet. Once you complete everything, T.A.S.K.S, then that is your green light to pursue freelancing. Because as a freelancer, always remember that you should be always ready to give your 100% when you face your client. It's either you're prepared and ready to make that impactful impression results, or not at all. Have a great day, everyone.